Today I tell you some important questions. Physiology of finfishes and shellfishes. 1. Aerobic metabolism in cells of body using oxygen and removal of CO2 from the body is called A. Respiration, B. Aspiration, C. Ventilation, D. Breathing. Answer A. Respiration. 2. Water is about how many times as dense and 100 times as viscous as air? A. 2000, B. 3000, C. 5000, D. 1000. Answer D. 1000. 3. Control of respiratory rate is exercised by the what part of the hindbrain? A. Spinal cord, B. Medulla oblongata, C. Cerebellum, D. Optic lobe. Answer B. Medulla oblongata. 4. What is a storage pigment in vertebrate muscle consisting of one globin and one heme? A. Myoglobin, B. Hemoglobin, C. Myosepta, D. Myomeres. Answer A. Myoglobin. Which type of hemoglobins are often very large molecules in solution? A. Invertebrate, B. Vertebrate, C. Fish, D. Crustaceans. Answer A. Invertebrate. What is an important blue respiratory pigment in advanced mollusks and arthropods? A. Iron-based hemocyanin, B. Magnesium-based hemocyanin, C. Copper-based hemocyanin, D. Calcium-based hemocyanin. Answer C. Copper-based hemocyanin. Oxygen is relatively insoluble in which component? A. Platelets, B. Blood, C. Erythrocytes, D. Plasma. Invertebrate hearts are usually situated in what position? A. Centrally, B. Dorsally, C. Ventrally, D. Laterally. Answer B. Dorsally. Which animals have a closed circulatory system? A. Crustaceans and lampreys, cephalopods, P. Mollusks and hagfishes, P. D. Chimeras and lungfishes. Strong answer B. Vertebrates and cephalopods, P. 10. Fishes have how many chambered hearts in single circulation? Strong P. A. 2, A. 2, A. B. 3, A. C. 4, A. D. 1. Strong answer A. 2. P. 12. Amphibians and reptiles have a how many chambered heart and mixed circulation? Strong P. A. 3, A. B. 2, A. D. 1, A. B. 1. Strong answer A. 2. A. 12. Birds and mammals have a how many chambered heart and double circulation? Strong P. A. 3, A. 4, A. B. C. 1, A. D. 2. Strong answer B. 4. P. A. Strong answer. What is any substance capable of eliciting an adaptive immune response? Strong P. A. Vitellogenin, A. B. Antibody, A. C. Antigen, A. P. D. Plasma. Strong answer antigen. P. A. Strong 14. What is the control of electrolyte and organic solute concentrations in the body fluids and the maintenance of water balance? A. Respiration, B. Osmoregulation, C. Gas exchange, D. Excretion. Answer B. Osmoregulation. What are important in the regulation of the acid-base balance? A. Neutrons, B. Protons, C. Chlorides, D. Bicarbonates. Answer D. Bicarbonates. Molting in crustaceans is controlled by juvenile hormone from the X gland, sinus gland, and what from the Y gland? A. Gonadal maturation, B. Reproduction, C. Ecdysone, D. Pituitary secretion. Answer C. Ecdysone. Which hormones FSH and LH control secretions of gonadal hormones? A. Gonadotropins, B. Pituitary, C. Hypothalamus, D. Brain. Answer A. Gonadotropins. What includes perception of taste and smell? A. Mechanoreception, B. Chemoreception, C. Radioreception, D. Electroreception. Answer B. Chemoreception. 19. Which receptors are responsible for the sense of touch, hearing, and position? A. Electroreceptors, B. Acoustics, C. Mechanoreceptors, D. Radioreceptors. Answer C. Mechanoreceptors. 20. Statocyst organs contain statoliths and help in sensing what? A. Light penetration, B. Food, male of species, D. Gravitational pull. Answer D. Gravitational pull. 21. Fishes use lateral line system in gas bladders for the detection of what? A. Vision. B. Touch. C. Sound. D. Predators. Answer: C. Sound. 22. Fish epidermis is thin and has no what? A. Gelatin. B. Mucus cells. C. Keratin. D. Ceratin. 23. Elasmobranchs possess low-density oil named what? A. Squalene. B. Prolactin. C. Ambergris. D. Triglycerides. Answer: A. Squalene. Sperm whales use what in their head cavities for buoyancy? A. Low-density oil. B. High-density oil. C. Spermaceti oil. D. Medium-density oil. Answer: C. Spermaceti oil. Endocrine glands are also known as the ductless glands, since their secretions directly take place into the what? A. Pancreas. B. Heart. C. Liver. D. Blood. Answer: D. Blood. Internal dynamic equilibrium of an organism is known by the name of what? A. Hydration. B. Aquastasis. C. Osmosis. D. Homeostasis. Answer: D. Homeostasis. The contraction of the heart is called what, and its relaxation is called what? A. Contractile and relaxole. B. Atrium and sinus venosus. C. Systole and diastole. Answer: C. Systole and diastole. 28. Animals whose internal osmotic concentration is the same as that of their surroundings are considered as what? A. Osmoregulators. B. Osmohydrants. C. Osmoconformers. D. Osmogradients. Answer: C. Osmoconformers. 29. Ammonia produced in the liver of the fish is converted into a non-toxic form in the blood called what? A. Glutamine. B. Uric acid. C. Creatine. D. Creatinine. Answer: A. Glutamine. 30. Which muscle contracts anaerobically using glucose for fuel and producing lactate? A. White. B. Red. C. Brown. D. Black.